Mahatma Gandhi was the leader of India's non-violent independence movement against British rule and in South Africa who advocated for the civil rights of Indians. Born in Porbandar, India, Gandhi studied law and organized boycotts against British institutions in peaceful forms of civil disobedience. As a part of non-violent, non-cooperation campaign for Home Rule, Gandhi stressed the importance of economic independence for India. He particularly advocated the manufacture of khadar or homespun cloth in order to replace imported textiles from Britain. Gandhi's eloquence and embrace of an ascetic lifestyle based on prayer, fasting, and meditation earned him the revenue of his followers, who called him Mahatma. Mahatma meaning in Sanskrit for the great souled one. He invested with all the authority of Indian National Congress. Gandhi turned the independence movement into a massive organization leading boycotts of British manufacturers and institutions representing British influence in India, including schools. Gandhi's contribution to the Indian freedom movement cannot be measured in the words. He, along with other freedom fighters, compelled the British to leave India. His policies and agendas were non-violent, and his words were the source of inspiration for millions. The sixth important movement, Champaran Movement, 1917. Gandhi's active participation in the freedom struggle started when he led the Champaran rebellion in Bihar. The movement was an approach of civil disobedience to make Britishers agree to the demand of farmers who were forcefully made to grow indigo. He signed an agreement in which Britishers granted control and compensations to the farmers, cancelled the hikes in revenue and collection. After the success of this movement, Gandhi earned the status of Mahatma. Kheda Movement, 1918. In the next year after Champaran, 1918, Kheda, a village in Gujarat, was badly hit by floods. The local farmers appealed to the rulers to waive off the taxes to help them. Gandhi started a signature campaign where peasants pledged non-payment of taxes. He also arranged a social boycott of the revenue officials. Movement, 1919. Gandhi has a major influence on the Muslim population of India. It helped in uniting the country at the time of crisis. When Britishers tried their best to divide the nation on religious grounds, after World War I, Muslims feared for their safety of their caliph or religious leaders. Gandhi participated actively in that movement and became a prominent spokesperson for the All India Muslim Conference. Cooperation Movement, 1920. After all these years of his active participation, Gandhi realized that the British had been able to be in India only because of cooperation they received from Indians. To counter this, he started the non-cooperation movement. He convinced the people that non-cooperation was the key to independence. He also set the goal of Swaraj or self-governance. Salt or Dundee March, 1929. The famous Dundee movement, also known as Salt March, began when Gandhi started a Satyagraha campaign against the salt tax in March 1930. He marched 388 kilometers from Ahmedabad to Dundee in Gujarat to make salt. He was joined by thousands of people. India Movement, 1942. The final nail in the coffin for British Raj in India was the Quit India movement led by Gandhi in 1942. He firmly protested against the British rule and said that Indians cannot be involved in World War II. Why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? This day is celebrated in the honor of the birthday of the father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji. Who assassinated Gandhiji? Nathuram Vinayak Godse was a nationalist who assassinated Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on January 30, 1948, when Gandhiji visited Birla House in New Delhi for a prayer meeting. Godse had fired 3 bullets at Gandhi's chest from a close range, ensuring his demise.